What's cracking lacking, guys? Here Tamarindo STI here with another video on another day. Let me flip you guys around real quick. Whew, there we go. So right now we're gonna start working on the EG. We got some new parts in. Let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. Bam, we got the carpet. We're gonna switch from gray carpet to black carpet. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the whole interior and show you guys. We also ended up picking up those that part right there for that, and then we got them in gray instead of black, and we got that brand new. It's right here. Let me quickly grab it. So this is the old one. Bam bam. And this is the new one. Sheesh, all matching. So it's gonna look pretty clean. Go ahead and put that there. But yeah, let's go ahead and vacuum this carpet so we can start taking that one off. So my brother's probably gonna vacuum this one while I start taking all the parts off on that one. So let's go ahead and do that. Sheesh. All right, guys, a chingale. Let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and get this one first. There's one on the other side that we gotta get to. Super easy. It's gonna be a 12, and then we got 2 in the back, so we gotta scoot it forward. So let's go ahead and do that. Pull the little lever so you can get a little bit more space and jump in the back. One of them is angled kind of weird, like backwards, and then the front one's up. You get it from the top down. They're all the same size, super easy, and that's all really you need to take off the front seat. People don't even do this. I don't even know why. People are like, oh, it's so scary. But yeah, as you guys can see, guys, the seats are minty, but we'll see if we keep them, honestly. I'm just trying to make it fit through the hole of the door because it's a little tall, but it's uncomfortable to grab. But yeah, so then no manches, guys. As you guys can see, we have a hole in the carpet. I don't know how that happened, but previous owner, yep. Then if we go over here, look, they have a cutout on the ECU and on the other side. So quién sabe qué están pensando, but that's how it came, guys. That's the whole reason why we're trying to swap out the carpet. But yeah, honestly, it's super easy process to do this. So let's go ahead, hop on the other side, and repeat the same thing to take off the driver's seat. Oh, EP3. All right, let's go ahead and do this one on this side. First one. Damn, we didn't even have that one. Go ahead, scoot it forward. Do the ones in the back. Like that. Here. Hold it para que lo saque. Easy as that, guys. That's how you remove some seats in less than a minute, both sides. Open the door. ¿Tiene algo atorado abajo? My bad. Se me olvidó desconectarla de abajo. I ended up leaving that cable, as you guys saw right there. My brother got it while I was holding it. So yeah, you guys can see. Super easy. Set it down over here. Oh, kind of tossed it, but oh well. But yeah, guys, look at the carpet. Oh, miada. No, that's nasty. Oh, this thing, look at this piece. Just came out like nothing. Definitely gonna have to replace these. Whoa, even this came out. What the? Vamos a estar destrabando and put it under the car. We're gonna go ahead and tackle the seat belts next, so we can go ahead and remove the carpet. The seats aren't connected at the bottom, so we'll be good there. Super easy. Just pull it out already, just so I can show you guys. It looks like there's a button in the middle, but that's about it. So let me quickly go ahead and go to the bathroom and come back. Just got back, guys. Go. Dale. Que saltar los demonios. Had my brother take the center console off, the clip that was right there, and now the side of the pinches cintos para amarrarse. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the carpet out. Sheesh, getting excited. Let's go. But yeah, all right, guys, so we decided that we're not gonna cut the carpet in case someone else wants it. We're just gonna take this off. So it's one bolt right here to take off this bracket, and then one bolt right there, 2 bolts right there. Comes right off, boom. And then you're just gonna take off these 2, and then we should be able to move it around just to slide the carpet out. So let's go ahead and do that. Here. Yes. All right, guys, I didn't end up telling you guys, but it's a 12, super easy. I just used this ratchet wrench to go ahead and get it out. So Took me a couple seconds on each side. I want to say like 15-20 seconds because the bolts are pretty long, and I had to go through the other one. But yeah, super easy. This is the best way to save your carpet. A lot of people just cut it right there since it's going to be under the cover and all that stuff, but honestly, it takes an extra 2-3 minutes, so no biggie. But yeah, now we can just go ahead and lift this thing right here, so then we can slide the carpet into the back. Oh, I guess I ended up missing this bolt right here because it wasn't being able to move. So let's quickly tackle it. Again, it's a 12. Now, as you guys can see, that bracket completely off. Now we can go ahead and pull it. Let's go ahead, clean our mess, and then we're gonna be able to come right out. A lot of people just end up ripping it, but that was like 2-3 minutes. Honestly, if I wasn't recording, maybe like 30 seconds, but just wanted to show you guys how to take out the carpet so you guys don't go through those errors. It's not that hard. So let me quickly get up and then ahorita les enseño. And what, bam, guys, sácala de por aquí. Jeez. Dirty. Ahí está. We're gonna go ahead and clean all of this out, and then go ahead and put the new carpet in. Jeez. All right, guys, we're doing a quick estirada.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
All right, guys, a tirar la carpet. Since we're gonna need both hands to do this, we're gonna do this, and I'll show you guys how it looks inside. But he vacuumed it up. It looks pretty clean. Let's go ahead, throw this on. Sheesh. Ahí quedó, guys. We just have to tuck it in on the edges, but it looks way better. And we got it super dirty, but no well. I ended up putting the bottom and center console and that bottom, this whole neat kicker thing, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum the carpet one more time real quick, and then we're gonna show you guys what we got for this thing. Stay tuned. Cheers! Quick little aspirada. But this is the big surprise, guys. Now that we have that done, see how it looks? We'll probably go ahead, since it's not tucking right, we're gonna probably put some Velcro to tape the side of the carpet to the edge. So let's go ahead and go get some of that. Sheesh. Oh, sorry guys, forgot to update you guys, but the seats are in. Right now we're going ahead and taking this off. It's pretty easy. 2 screws on top. You take off the emergency button right here. So this one, just plug it off, pull it off, and then this should just come out like that. It's not that hard to take off. See, I did it with one hand. You guys can definitely do it also. And we're gonna go ahead, and since this one was all scratched up right here, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. But we're also gonna replace the cluster because my brother doesn't like this one. So let's go ahead and do that.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
Okay, let me get the clips out, and we'll put the other one in. And bam, just like that, the cluster is on. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up and then update you guys real quick. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, and there you go. The 2 screws are on, pretty secure. Let's go ahead and put on the cluster bezel. Here, record this. Go ahead and slap this on. Oh, we have to push this out. Take this out. And hopefully the clock works. I mean, it should. Why is it so...
We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just fucking lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think it might want me to come show up at your door. I overdosed. Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame.
Just like that. We are D-O-N-E. Sheesh. Let's go. Way cleaner. Slowly but surely. Honestly, guys, this carpet is an eBay one. I just noticed it doesn't fit like I was supposed to. So, I don't know. We might just wash the other one and go ahead and slap it back on. I'm not sure yet. But we'll update you guys once we figure it out. Either way, it's like a 10 minutes to take it out, so it's not that bad. Sheesh, here we go, guys. A little update. We ended up putting the original carpet back on, but we washed it. I actually went on vacation for 2 days, and I came back and my brother had washed it, and he put it back in his car. Looks way better. But I ended up picking up some stuff. I'm just gonna show you guys quick. So we got all new door handles, and that one originally it was black, but he's going ahead and put it on. It's just 2 screws on the bottom, clip it back on. And as you guys can see, this one's a little damaged, so we got a new one. This one looks fine, but on that side, let's go ahead, show you guys. Ooh, nasty. So yeah, go ahead and did that so it could look. We're debating if we should mess up those seats to throw these on. I was gonna get some junkyard EG rails, but ended up closing, so I didn't have enough time to take those out when I was in the junkyard in Seattle. But other than that, everything else looks fire. It's coming out clean. Here's the finishing touches on that one. You guys see? All one color.
One eternity later.
Oh, you got it. Sheesh, check it out, guys. Compared to how it was, dang, the car's coming out clean. We just need to find that quarter panel over there and the roof liner. We might just redo the roof liner ourselves and go ahead and fix that. If we can't find another one, but yeah, I'm gonna put that on. We need a new piece in the back. We might do the cup holder. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly update you guys. Also, working on the EP3. That's in another video that I'm doing. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, finish that up, and update on that. Yeah, and next thing we're probably gonna look for is either just some aftermarket tweeters that fit right here. I'm gonna measure the diameter and see what we can throw in there. If not, we're gonna go ahead and try to find the OEM ones that originally did go in there. But yeah, also we need to find some door panel levers because it's getting annoying. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. And como dice una chiquitita por ahí, see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.